Attention TV so we akwa ede eba so se me basa dia na me nyaje papa se many lovers and fans of Attention TV edition na me di constant bi ede atwe mo ban patcho on subscribe ya subscribe on like ya like comment and also share yen ko piem so e Facebook and so dia na Attention TV GH like comment and also share follow for us ebusiam and some me ebeso muni na evangelism apart obi achadat na say adwo ho say kamia kwaye say the ordination a course on the 2nd of August no yi computer man e the free man na obi bia e hye dani ho ye na teacher obi ani ho na oye Ghana ni na ka say Archbishop obedi dwumedi ni na chame ene Archbishop Danson Danson na ebusia ono anobeye chiame edema dwumedi ni eni na wei ana ne manasi ede nsemba komenu bia betu dwa say ye be hwe ana ye be kaya na Archbishop ehentare bia ya choturu mu west bi na we ana manasi eche mache se kamia koye sem atawi ana Archbishop Danson na ehye no na Øccùlt for entire enta no de osusu pa say Archbishop Danson Øccùlt man na we ana wetu mache se agrada ensedan sakra wiye ntino ono so ka occultism group no ho ntino ono so ekofo obi ono so ka occultism group no ho a ono so ebehye no so fotare na magana fokra engine dikra say evangelism apart pa dia ofri nyame.
This is not good at all. I'm telling you. Bebajo, let me show you something. Let me show you something. Let me show you something right now. Share Adiebu Hasi. Share Adiebu Ha. One no Archbishop Danson. One Archbishop Danson. One that way you. Danson that way. Danson ye. Danson eniye. Mameka asamuchiro. Danson and the Baba ye agrada bishop. And obi try and trust Ghana for say. Obi try and trust say. Why no evangelist? Ayentro kwa. So we jina say. Why no what's the evangelist? There be evangelist Dr. Patricia. There be Mama Pat. There be correct. I mean, can't you know? A bishop ordination or the man. And the idea you came to initiate the woman into your kingdom. Mu group na mu womuno. Mu group na Bishop Danson mu womuno. And now by say uba be initiate agrada into it. Samusha Bishop Danson atadia or shede ba be ordination na. O say ya churo HWICC. Ewo Bishop Danson atadia no. HWICC. Moshe pa HWICC. Ewo Bishop Danson na atadia ele gu hono. And this sign we Øccùlt for logo. Occultic kingdom be omu logo. Grophobia omu atnase a form occultic na omu di ye adwuma. Omu di ye adwuma ena wode ato ne ho omu ede ato omu ho so. This is their logo. Na me be kire wade bi. Danson ofri baby a wofri no wode ne ho akwahye eniema aya abosom niema occultic niemam ena wode ne ho ahyem ena woye eti mamini kan view we na hwe owo na taade no na taade Danson taade ni HWICC ena wo ho no okay omu group so nie omu group no enie this is it share. Let's read. Ritual observance of seasonal and life cycles. HWICC is a modern pagan religion. Scholars of religion categorize it as both a new religious movement and as part of the occultic stream of Western esotericism. Well, mo find show mama here. On the Manco University, no, but my dear person with me Canberra for Manco University, but my dear pa. So it is a religious movement, and as a part of the occultic stream of Western, the Kahuna is also. You see? So this means this man, Benny Danson, that came, the man is into occultic. Huh? The man is occultic. The man is occultic. Eti adi we na good Benny Danson atadium. This sign. And it shows, Mama Yan kind beam, Mama Yan kind beam, Mama Yan kind beam. I want you to take your time. Read this. It's very important. Me say, I think I'm the Bishop Benny Danson as starting. And I will expose this man to the stand they say. Me say I grad that who say on Saturday and walk off a cromfo, a drufo, so a moment me would deni no. And the yen of Christ are glad as such that. On Saturday, a business, a juma no moye. Bishop Benny Danson, me say nata dia na no. Sign we a guanimu, and in ye sign no, and a go on HWICC. Okay. And a mohe. And a good way. HWICC. A religion influenced by a pre-Christian beliefs and practices of Western Europe that affirms the existence of supernatural power such as magic and both male and of both male and female deities who inhere in nature, and that emphasizes ritual observance of seasonal and life cycles. Life cycles. HWICC is a modern pagan religion. Scholars of religion categorize it as both a new religious movement and as part of the occultic stream of Western esotericism. Yeah, mo find show us amame. Brofuna mo dupa we university for there, but ya kabia show. You see? So this is the man that we are talking about.
Abusia ha ala namide insensemni na ebesi Attention TV so ne University Foundation ana sama sna mede jumide ebesomo Attention TV so number and 0548302985. Attention TV, we inspire you more. Keep watching.